Hello viajeros, welcome back to TravelSolo Channel. If you like travel vlog or travel content like this, sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and comment down below your feedback. If you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please smash that red subscribe button and the notification bell. Today we are back at the Katara Cultural Village and show you some more cool pictures of this village. Katara Cultural Village is situated between the Pearl and the West Bay. This is one of the Doha heritage villages where you can experience the traditionality and art. Designed with a perfect architectural look, the village resembles the ancient souk of Qatar with the walkways of cobblestones and the additional glam to modernize the interiors. Katara Cultural Village, also called the Valley of Culture, is a stone house of Qatari art, heritage, the remains of the past, and an extension of the traditional beauty. The Cultural Village perfectly defines the rich culture of Qatar and other countries taking inspiration for the art of the bygone era. The famous artisans of the time and the local workers who understand the significance of ancient techniques in terms of sculptures, murals, and basic art. What makes Katara Cultural Village an exceptional beauty of Doha is its retro style and a vast collection of art activities that you won't find anywhere else among the higher buildings. This is the Greek amphitheater that will take you back to the Roman era. This piece of excellence is a blend of Islamic art that enhances the look of Greek architecture that overlooks the vast sea. The amphitheater spreads the area of 3,275 square meters that can accommodate a large crowd during events. And now we're heading towards the Tasty Street. This is located beside the Algana Society headquarters along Shakespeare Street in front of the Qatar Music Academy and Al Jazeera Media Cafe. The Tasty Street takes up to two short street lines with food stalls where people can order through drive-through style or walk-through, which is a good option for people who are still not that comfortable with dining out. And this is the building of the Alganas Association which is designed in the shape of a falcon head. The Alganas is a cultural association for hunters that was founded in 2008, dedicated to promoting traditional Arabic hunting. Alganas represents Arab hunters in international and regional contests, organizing events and providing support. The association also includes the best facilities and equipment required for hunting and encourages research and studies in the field. So we are now here at the shopping center at the Katara Cultural Village. There are stores and shops in here displaying everything from accessories, decors, and clothing. Shopping in Katara Cultural Village can be the best thing, as here you can get some of the most authentic souvenirs. The Katara Plaza Mall is the most famous open-air shopping center of Katara to buy branded clothes, fancy decors, and more. On my right hand side is the Galeries Lafayette, which is an iconic French department store chain of fashion, luxury, goods, accessories, perfumes, cosmetics, leisure, and gastronomy. What's most interesting here in this area is the outdoor air conditioning system. As you can see, there's black holes or screens on the walkways. These are the outdoor air conditioning system. The advanced cooling technology in the underfloor air conditioning along the pathways ensures that it is always the right temperature on this particular street. The outdoor air conditioning system also ensures to create a comfortable, relaxing, and functional outdoor environment for visitors here at the Katara Cultural Village. The outdoor air conditioning project is considered to be one of the hottest regions of the world. Imagine a pleasant looking outdoor sitting area that overlooks the sea, but it's so hot that you cannot possibly sit outside for more than a few minutes, much less enjoy a meal or cool drink because of the scorching temperatures. The Katara Cultural Village had that problem. Temperatures were so hot that customers could not sit and enjoy the outdoors. So the village is made up of top-notch restaurants, cinemas, shopping, and other activities. And most everyone likes to sit and enjoy, but they don't want to do it because it's too hot. So the outdoor air conditioning system was the best solution and a top-notch solution here at the Katara Cultural Village. So there you have it, another pictures of the Katara Cultural Village here in Doha, Qatar. So thank you very much for watching this video. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Until next time, bye.